just arrived at Falls Creek in High Country, Victoria. It's January 5 and it's currently 3 degrees, a bit chilly for the middle of summer. Anyway, let's go and check it out. Quick walk around town for some first impressions. First look out on the roadway, we're just above the main town centre, I believe. Right near the Cock and Bull Inn with this really long walkway down the slope. Looks like we might be in for some fish and chips between 5 and 10 at the Cock and Bull. Old English pub. Speaking of the Cock and Bull, just down here we're approaching something called Slalom Plaza. Heaps of great information signs here, including a really good town map. Here we are at Slalom Plaza. No shortage of stairs around Falls Creek, apparently. Let's see what we got here. Donuts and coffee. Talking my language. No idea if it's open in summer. I doubt it. Seems like the main town centre, Falls Creek Resort. It's where all the cars and buses arrive, I believe. Comes equipped with a post office, a whole bunch of other stuff here at the resort. Woohoo! Foodworks, restaurants and stuff. And here's a great bit of civilization. I'm inside the Foodworks building, open from 10 until 2. It's going to be pretty handy, looks pretty modern and well stocked in there. Got a nice map of Slalom Plaza here. It's got the Falls Express ski lift leaving right from the plaza. And a big long list of bars, dining and eateries. Got the bike hub with the map. What I really like is shows the distance and gradient for each map, for each track. Very nice. It's a pretty high-tech bike spot. It's got a bike repair station here for the public. It's got a bike wash bay and a water refill station, as well as some more information about all the beautiful bike rides around here. Awesome stuff. And we got CFA and police station over there. So that was the first look at Falls Creek. It's getting a bit cold and wet. 3 or 4 degrees in the middle of summer feels like -2. It's actually raining quite a bit. Don't know if you can see, but we're pretty much stuck in the middle of a cloud up here. Alright, stand by for more of this. See ya.